IGZ, VIP we. Every day girl a pray me, I watch me like TV.
Oh my god.
I am a Nika, I am a Juba, I am a Sifila, I am Kamara.
I think you have a guest. Baby, baby, you've been here.
What have you been doing inside since?
Sorry now. I was with my friend. I was being gisting.
Gisting with your friend. So sorry, I.
Nice to meet you. Baby, give me my husband. Aww.
We'll see. Just want to get my food ready. After all this.
Baby, where are you going? Take care.
Alright, take care now. I'm sorry.
Yeah?
Can you call me?
No problem.
Oh, she is going to say I can't be to come now.
Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Allah
I wonder one day, them big one here, eh? I ostrich them too?
Yeah.
All of them are ostrich. Wow! What a sight.
Oh no, Mr. Krabs told me all about you. You are a liar, a deceiver. I'll never fall for your tricks again. Never! Is the seat taken?
Happy. She crying because she ain't love me so much. I'm finna leave, so she mad. Not mad, she sad. Like, I gotta leave for a couple days. We coming back. I'm gonna be back, baby. So I'm mad.
I hate you. Go and tell people, pack up your things them and left. That girl ain't mean no good. Me no like see girl take people boy up in the feed ya. A beer bun she a give you. She a fuck the crab man and she a fuck the taxi man them on a square road. All Guinea boy she a fuck. She not no ambition. Go and tell P. Better your life. Go and make your mother here and tell P. Go on. How are the go? You fuck too much.
Me catch macaroni.
Image, you talk about them man ya.
Image.
Image. You see me I say? Inna the sun them man ya bleach. Them man ain't afraid, them man ain't hide.
White boss.
You see me?
Yeah.
Image boss. When we talk about image.
Want to get it up, right? Jesus Christ, them get a bigger so with it. I want to get them girl left. I want them looking, sir. Jesus Christ. One thing, you good? You still have one? You have condom, right? Nobody can. Jesus Christ.
Me and shit like that. You understand me? Bumbo clad, me end up, my virgin call me and tell me say bitch a cheat for me. And shit like that. Me and the bitch catch up in a big blood clot wiring at the house and thing like that. Nothing, see? Me kick the bitch out and thing, me end up take back the bitch. Do you know say the blood clot bitch wait till me asleep last night, my youth? I end up bumbo clot cut off the whole of my head. Look at people. Look on this blood clot. Look on this pussy hole of people. You want to tell me say this blood clot you know wicked? Eh? The bitch wait till me and shit like that. You understand me? Bumbo clad, me end up, my virgin call me and tell me say bitch a cheat for me. And shit like that. Me and the bitch catch up in a big blood clot wiring at the house and thing like that. Nothing, see? Me kick the bitch out and thing, me end up take back the bitch. Do you know say the blood clot bitch wait till me asleep last night, my youth? I end up bumbo clot cut off the whole of my head. Look at people. Look on this blood clot. Look Look upon this pussy hole of people. You want to tell me say this blood clot and a wicked? Eh? The bitch wait till me.
Once now when you can see often like me. Nigga can see like tell my father cooking there.
Go out, the man will turn in the Indian man. I see a lift up and come get him out dog park, yes sir. Bonaman Park. My dog, I lift up and Killer Bonaman. Bumbleclad! Hold him, daddy! Hold him, daddy! Hold him, daddy! Hold him, daddy!
Put this thing like guy, see my head. I want this girl back. I want this girl back.
What if you make her feel jealous?
Hello.
Then get a dinner when you're hungry. Then get a know me for bubble pan cocky for hungry belly. Eat they know they Sunday. Or they come in. I mean I show you some me. Are you put it?
Nobody.
Are you put it? Alright, put the icky for your neck, let me see. Put on that one icky. Put on in there. Probably.
I wouldn't bridging on a job.
Drop.
I'm grabbing him.
I grab him.
Yes.
मैं कैसे बोलता हूँ लाहौर में गए
Hear me a sag brain, I better me get a plyboard for you. By the time I go in a yard for a plyboard, I can use it. What you think? You don't answer me? Hog brain. Hear me a say hog brain? Hog brain. Oh, where did you don't go? Yeah, man. You're too stuck.
Okay, Kiki, where you there now? More they go now. Wait, oh. Now the shirt what I buy, will not fit me, what I give you. Now be this.
Yes, now. Steady balling. Sorry, I left you calling.
Pull up. Now you buy now your clothes. I beg, give me.
Boy, you don't fit you now. Now why you dash me now?
She be na me buy with time, you go fit me. More they go.
I better go. Yeah, hell yeah, I can swim, girl.
You okay?
Huh?
You okay? Stand up. Wait, stand. Give me a floaty.
I can't hear.
Grab the floaty.
Grab my hand.
Grab the floaty. This motherfucking nigga. See, this is exactly why I don't go nowhere. This is exactly why I don't go nowhere.
This man, I'm pretty different too. From work every day. And I'm farmer that I like saying work in the office and I mix cement tonight.
Looking at carry some big bucket of water. Pass it to me, please. Yo. Borrow that.
I really inspire right there, sir.
You're for pretty good still very good. Yeah, that's the thing, bro.